Today we are playing
I'm
MMP.
standing on a pizza.
What?
Standing on a pizza.
Pizza. Okay.
Yeah.
And this
pizza,
is my
pizza,
cousin right
pizza,
here. This is my
Pizza,
cousin right
pizza.
here. Yeah, this
Pizza.
guy. Oh. Okay.
Wait, I got lucky.
Are you outside?
One. Two. I'm gonna go there. Okay. So I'm lucky.
Guys, can you hear my cousin? Because we're on a call
Yeah.
right now. Oh my god. Why is it so loud? No! How did I miss? How am I missing? What? Oh my god! How did
Look at me, look at me.
I do that? Oh my god.
Yeah, stick down your bigger as
Oh,
the
this is
smaller
almost face
below.
revealed.
Face reveal.
I wonder if you
think
guys
I
can
can
hear my
face-
cousin.
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe
I'm standing
okay.
on top of this. On a banana.
On the banana. What?
On a
I'm gonna
banana.
eat my ice cream and hopefully I get sheriff.
I heard you.
No way, I just got sheriff. Guys, right now we are in a private server, so that's why we're getting all the good rolls. Yeah. No, I don't have admin commands.
You know, do you guys know? This is my private server, but I have admin commands.
This is my cousin's private server.
Exactly, Boichi.
Yeah. No, are you? Are you invisible or something?
I will post here.
Oh my god! Why is everything so loud? Guys, I clicked the mute button right there. So because everything's so loud. Ooh, yes, hotel. Bro, I want this one.
Bro, fine.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep.
If you don't, I'm gonna face reveal.
What?
Write your name in the comments and don't forget our username. This one is
Mine is.
and
Oh my
7.
god.
My one is Soldier 190301. Don't forget to do that.
Guys, is my level high enough for like a small YouTuber? I mean, like a person that just started playing.
What?
Like last week. I mean, last month. I mean, I started playing 2 years ago, but my phone broke and I'm on a new account. So, yeah.
Which makes you look ugly.
What?
You look so bad in that. Your hair is sticking out. Look.
I like this outfit.
You wish. Shut up. Hope I get the good one.
Good what?
Mood.
Oh, there you go. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. I literally can't move. Oh, I think I just accidentally face revealed. I don't know. I think I revealed.
You guys just have to like and subscribe. Go
What?
mention.
What if they already
Mention too.
subscribed? What if they already guys? How the heck is 0.3 people watching my YouTube channel only subscribed and 99% of people are not subscribed? That's actually crazy. So the people who are not
I
subscribed,
have the
please
easy one.
subscribe.
Please, and 6.7 subscribers. 6.7.
What? Where is dude?
Stealing all my knives?
What?
No, you're not.
Did you say
Here's
you
one
knife?
knife, two knives, three knives.
Anyways, I'm by the place where there's all these barrels and boxes.
The leaks evil layer.
What are you saying?
I'm in the leaks evil layer.
Oh.
This is a literally secret room.
Bro, I know
Okay,
you
now
are.
I will just kill you. Where are you?
Oh my god. Ow! Oh, I swear I'm gonna end the video. If I don't win the next round, I will end the video. Oh
Yeah?
my god.
It's only if I let you win
Subscribe
one
to
game.
give me luck.
And like to give me luck. I think
Yeah.
they like me because I have more Robux.
Bro, on my
more-
other account, I spent literally 300 Robux on my avatar.
You know what?
And yours is 250.
You know what?
What? And you're just a
My
block.
daddy just bought me 2,500 with only 500 rand.
So buy Cyborg. What am I? Murderer. Yeah. If I don't win this round, I'm ending the video right here. I mean, when I die. If I do die. Now I'm just saying random things now. I feel so stupid.
Because of how bad you are.
It's because of how blocky you are. No, I clicked the shot. Yes!
No!
Okay. The video will be running for 3 more minutes. Poor cousin. Oh, I know why it's so loud. The volume, yeah.
My mama got a homeless. Please, my mama got a homeless. I'm so happy that he left the call and I blocked him.
Damn. That's actually mean. Holly, did you buy Cyborg?
No.
What did you buy?
He probably is crying.
Who?
Tahir.
What did you use your Robux already?
Yeah.
On what?
On the best class in the game.
On Cyborg.
Yeah.
Can I see?
No? No.
What did you buy?
I bought Lumberjack.
Bruh, why Lumberjack?
And first I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, this guy over here is gonna be taking a
Number 2.
a poop. Yeah, a poop. That looks like this. Bro's gonna make a poop. See those poop stains there? Okay, let's add some pee. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I'm being disgusting. Pee. Oh. Shut up. Why can't I walk? By the way, if you can't hear my cousin, I am not posting this. Yeah! Let me just activate the TV. Yay. I clicked the button just in time.
Loki got diarrhea.
Bro. Shut up. Oh my god, did you see that? Polly, did you see that?
Yeah.
I just got flung up. Wait, let's do that. So you walk in there and... Oh man. So I walk in... Oh. It worked last time when I did it now. Just now.
Oh. Will you let me win, Canala?
Bruh. Okay, if you win, you'll probably win. Because I'm being stupid. Like a noob right now.
You look exactly like a noob on this account. Don't worry.
Bro, my avatar literally costed 13 Robux on this account.
On this bad account. Yo.
Where are you?
Following you.
Go
I actually found you.
No! What is happening? What's happening? No! Okay, anyways, guys, goodbye. Bye guys, like and subscribe.